My 5 hidden tips for 2-day colon cleanse. Hi, I'm Sam, and I really know the feeling of a bad digestion due to a sluggish colon, which results in low energy, headaches, and an overall uncomfortable feeling in the body. And like you, most of the stuff about colon cleanse I've tried didn't really work well for me. But it wasn't until I tried the following 5 tips for a 2-day colon cleanse and turned them into habits that I started seeing fast improvements with my colon health. Are you ready for them? Here we go. Tip number 1. Eat fiber-rich foods. You need to improve your diet first in order to improve your digestive system and cleanse your colon. Thus, it's very important to include foods that are rich in fiber in your diet. That's because the foods rich in fiber can easily and quickly remove all the toxins from your colon. So this can help in the entire colon cleansing process. Therefore, include foods like cereals, apples, broccoli, peas, flax seeds, and nuts in your diet for 2 days. Eat 3 meals a day rich in high fiber foods. Tip number 2. Eat ginger. Ginger is one of the natural ingredients that can help you in cleansing your colon. It has definitely helped me a lot in cleansing the colon. You need to have this in the form of juice twice a day for 2 days. Let it then work its magic. It can improve the functioning of your colon by removing all the harmful toxins effectively. Also, it can reduce the bloating of your stomach and improve the overall digestive system. You can even have this by adding it into your tea. Tip number 3. Have some aloe vera. This ingredient has surely made a huge change in my overall lifestyle. This is a little known tip, but it's super powerful and I highly recommend it to you. Aloe vera is enriched with detoxification features that work amazingly for cleaning your colon. Also, it can improve the overall health of your colon. You need to extract the gel from aloe vera leaves and add some lemon juice in it. Then mix it well in the blender and keep this in your refrigerator. You must have this for 2 to 3 times daily to improve the colon health and cleanse it properly. Tip number 4. Don't skip water. Drinking plenty of water is very important. It can easily and effectively cleanse your colon. That's why you should never underestimate the benefits of drinking water. Regular intake of sufficient water can help your body to flush out all the toxins and harmful substances along with the waste from your body. That's one of the most natural ways to cleanse your colon and detoxify your digestive system. For that, you must consume at least 10 to 12 glasses of water every day. Tip number 5. Have an apple daily. When I went to school as a kid, I used to learn that it's always beneficial to have an apple every day. In the practical life, it actually plays a significant role. That's because it's one of the best home remedies for cleansing your colon. Drink apple juice daily once for improving the bowel movement and breaking down the toxins. That's why it can improve the overall health of your digestive system and cleanse the colon effectively. So start your day with a glass of freshly squeezed apple juice and a glass of water after 30 minutes. You can also add apple cider in your diet. That also works effectively too. There you have it. Work all 5 of those into your daily routine and within a week or 2 you will notice significant changes in your colon health. But usually something more powerful is required to colon cleanse faster and without preparation of special meals and drinks during your busy days. Luckily, there are some other all-natural but high-powered home treatments out there that can improve your colon health fast and easy. To learn more about a powerful colon cleanse treatment called Bowel Colon Cleanser that works fast and super easy from home, just go to coloncleansehelper.com/fast or click on the link in the video description below. By the way, this is just a testimonial from Amber, who is regularly using Bowel Colon Cleanser. Just have a quick look what she has to say about her results.
I am constantly feeling bloated, dull, and not really well. But by chance, I stumbled across an ad for Bowel, and I tried it right away. I took the pills at night, and by the next morning, I had amazing results.
So as you can see, Bowel works great for Amber and many other people. So again, you can get Bowel in the link below or go to coloncleansehelper.com/fast. Type that in or click the link in the video description below. My name is Sam and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can find any video I release whenever I release them. Also, watch one of my other videos to improve your colon health. Share this video with your friends and comment below if you have any questions for me. I'm happy to help. I'll see you in the next video.